Hey everyone, I was thinking it's been a while since I've done a giveaway, so if you guys would like to win this lamp, stick around till the end of the video and I'll tell you how you could win. So I've had this idea for a while now, where I take a wasp nest and I fill all the galleries with some different coloured resin. And then before that resin sets, we pop it into a container and we fill it with clear resin, and then while it's curing, hopefully the coloured resin escapes a little bit and makes a cool effect. And then once we've got our cool blank, I'll find a way of displaying it with some LEDs. Now to make this process as easy as possible, the first thing I'm going to do is glue in the wasp nest in the bottom of this container. Then I'm going to take some of these pipettes and I'm going to pipe in the coloured resin. I'm going to limit the amount of colours to 4, that way it doesn't turn into a brown mess. Well, I definitely didn't anticipate this part taking so long, and my resin started to heat up, so we're just going to have to go for it and pour, and hopefully it's going to turn out. Okay, I'm just going to go put this straight in the pressure pot. Well, that's definitely not what I expected. Even though this wasn't what I envisioned, it still looks pretty cool. I kind of like the way the colours have popped out. So I think what I need to do now is pop this out of the mould and we'll give it a clean up. So now that I've finished sanding and polishing, it's time to make a stand. I got myself some off-cut pieces of burl. Let's see what we can make. So it's now time for me to tell you guys how you can win this lamp. So all you have to do to enter is leave a comment, and then in 4 weeks time I'm going to pick one of those comments and send you this lamp. There is one more thing you could do for me, but only if you want to, and that is hit the thumbs up button. It really helps my channel grow. Now that you know how to enter, let's check out what you could win.